All right, guys, 2018 Dodge Charger GT V6. What we got done on it? Factory converter, factory X pipe, 2 1/4 pipe, factory mid mufflers right there. You guys wonder what they look like? That's what they look like. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes, and we took the rear resonators out there and replaced them with 2 vibrants. Part number 1792, 2 vibrants. They look like bullets. They're really cool. Out the backs, he's got custom rear diffusers. You guys can see carbon fiber, so we didn't have to put any tips on it. Came out really nice, really clean. There it is, right there. And there's the huge resonators that were on it that we cut off right there. That's the set of resonators, and replace them with 2 vibrant bullets. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys were wondering, we're in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the area, come say hi. That's perfect. Nothing crazy, just clean. Oh yeah, that's deep. Again? It's with vibrance in the rear. Here's sound decibels. Again? Right at 100, so it's perfect. Again? What do you think, man?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Perfect. So the recommendation was on point?
Yeah, because
all right.
I wanted something
just clean. You want to hear it, you know?
I want to hear the part.
Yeah. With not being raspy or crazy, you know?
So that was a good idea. So
Yeah.
a lot of people
They straight pipe it.
They straight piped it, and that's just
Yeah, it's just too loud. On V6s and 4 cylinders, you always want to put something on it.
Yeah.
Just to deepen it, you know?
Yep.
You guys agree? 4 cylinders and V6s, we always need to put a muffler on it, some sort of muffler or resonator. Let me know in the comments, guys. I like that sound, it's clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger GT V6, all-wheel drive, resonator delete, and vibrance in its place. Came out sounding perfect. He loves it, we love it. Do you guys love it? Let me know in the comments. Sounds perfect. Enjoy, guys. Hope you like it.